Hello FSM team. This video is going to cover using the product templates that we're working on setting up. So right now it looks like typically what happens is you copy an existing product and then change the information. But as you can see here, that leads to some problems. We've got Phoenix, Arizona here. We've got San Francisco Airport here. We've got Chandler, Arizona here. There's December 6th over here and March 28th over here. It leads to a lot of potential problems. So rather than copying existing products, what we're going to do is set up templates like this so that when you copy it, the worst thing that can happen is that the information is just not there. We don't want conflicting information, or to say two different cities or two different dates, one date in the picture, another date over here in the description. So I'm hopeful this is going to avoid a lot of that. So we're going to set up one for each of the main product types. So we'll have a 5-day course seminar template. That can probably work for a lot of the core products, I'm guessing. The pain, injury, the neurovisceral, any of the in-person. But we can talk about that. We'll have a sports core template set up, and we'll remove any of the accommodations, specific information. We'll just have placeholder stuff here. And that way you can, come in here, you can duplicate one of these template products. All you'll need to do when you're looking at the list of products is to type in the word template here. And at the minute, I've only got the two set up that I mentioned. So, we'll set one of these up, but you'll be able to find them this way, and then you'll be able to duplicate one, rename it, put in all of the correct pricing and whatnot, and not be worried about having to catch every instance of the city name or, different things like that. Some of the things that are slightly different here from what you're maybe used to, this location and the start and end time and the education title, that's all the same. But you will notice that, we have these tabs here. That's going to keep the page from just going on and on like a lot of the products currently do. It makes it very compact and easier to click through this information. So that's what all of these extra fields are. There's an accommodation tab here on this template version of it. I've just got some kind of reminders here about what should go in here. There's the health and safety tab. I think this information is the same every time, but easy enough for you to update that if you want to change it. Schedule tab, you can put in those little screenshots that you do with the calendar or whatnot. This information does seem to be kind of standard. I left it in there for now. You can turn this into a link for your syllabus for this particular course. Continuing education units information, this seems to see the same every time. So those custom fields are what make all of this happen right here. And then you can see too, I've already got this set up so that these descriptions are in here, these prices are in here. I'm sure the prices will change at some point, but for right now they seem pretty standard. And that, I think where that happens, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you here anyway. There's two parts to it. There's the attributes, where you can choose, one of the attributes and then put in the different attributes there. And then that is what helps you make the variations. Again, that's all been done already. So, if you just need to change the price or remove one or more of these, maybe you're not going to offer the practitioner assistant. Seems like you offer all of these on each one, but maybe the price needs to change or whatever, and you can do all that. But in any case, with this template set up, all you'll need to do is just duplicate it and then swap out that information, and then hopefully not have to worry about the information getting mucked up. I will include in another video what all templates there are, but again, all you'll need to do is search for the word template, and you'll have a listing of all of them right here, and you'll be able to copy the one that's closest to the product type that you are working to set up rather than copying the last product that you made. Thanks.